A new school year begins in less than a month, and the COVID-19 guidance for schools and child care centers will be slightly different next year.
According to Washington health officials, students need to stay home for 5 days after testing positive, and they're recommended to wear a mask for another 5 days. If your children are exposed to other students who tested positive, schools don't need to directly notify parents anymore. However, they still need a notification system if an outbreak happens. Peter Choi is near North Central High School. And Peter, tell us what guidance has been changed in the district for the new school year.
Yeah, the biggest change for the next year is going to be no contact tracing, meaning schools won't notify parents directly of students who may be exposed to COVID. Now, nearly 5,000 students tested positive in this district last year, and SPS decided to ease up the guidance.
I would say it's eased. It's eased this year. It's eased up a little bit.
As a large amount of people are now immune through vaccination, previous infection, or both, and there are some changes underway.
It's very similar to where we ended the school year in the spring. A few changes. We won't be doing any contact tracing this year, and this is all based on the DOH guidance that came out on August 5th.
The COVID dashboard will be back again on the district's website. As of now, COVID vaccinations are required for staff, but not for students. Local pediatricians still say getting vaccinated is important for your kids, especially because of the highly contagious variants.
September, there's going to be a booster that's going to have a little bit more Omicron-directed activity, which we haven't had to date. And so we'll start to see recommendations for boosters coming in September. So really paying attention to that.
SPS officials say they will continue work with local health departments to mitigate any cluster infections.
We definitely know that COVID is still with us. We would like for it to go away, but it definitely has not gone away yet. And so we're very prepared to be able to handle really whatever we need to handle this year with COVID.
The SPS also said they will continue to follow the Washington health officials' COVID-19 procedures throughout the year. Live in Spokane, Peter Choi, 4 News Now.